Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. This comes to me from Fansells. So I want to say thank you to Ryan from Fansells for sending this to me. And before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel to show y'all this stuff. So I hope you're all having a great day. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video, or just let me know how your day's going. I enjoy reading them. I do get respond back to you as soon as I can. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And let's get into this bag. So I've just got a couple things in here, but I do want to say thank you to Ryan for sending this stuff to me. And if you look in my description box, he has also given me a code to give to everyone. So I thought that was really, really, really awesome of him. So if you use my code, I don't get anything, but it does help you out at checkout. So let's see. Let me move this. Let's see, what did I pick? Alright, so this is a special, and it has what we call a typical toolkit, which is just your green boat and a little pad of wax and a single placer pink pen. And this is all you need to do a diamond painting. And then here's the drills, which we will definitely open and look at here in just a second. So this is a poured glue. So I am just going to roll this back so that we can kind of straighten it out a little bit. I hear Buster behind me. I don't know what he is doing. Alright, so this is what I got. It is a 30 by 30 special drill. Buster. Buster. I don't know what he is doing. He is trying to get into my tool bag. Ain't nothing in it except for my Dremel. Okay. So I think that's about as good as I can get it. But this is a 30 by 30. And it only has 5 gems. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It's a tree, but it is just bursting with color. Look at that. Is it not gorgeous? It is beautiful. It almost looks like it is on fire. But it is just beautiful. Okay, let's look at the gems. I am excited. And just 5 colors. Okay. Now, this is it's just called Tree, and it was $3.82. So, oh my gosh, look. Is that not gorgeous? And then there's a bigger one. Oh my goodness. We've got 2 bags of these. Oh my. And then we have 2 bags. Buster. Look, he is under the table now. Look at those. Oh my gosh. And then these. Can you imagine Oh my goodness. This is going to be gorgeous. Oh, I may have to do this and then come back and show y'all. Do a post review on this one. Okay, so let's see. Put that back in there. Alright, so it has the bags of drills, has got the canvas number right there on it. So if you separate your drills from your canvas like I do, I didn't used to. When I first started diamond painting, I kept everything together. But then when you start accumulating a lot, then you have to start thinking of different storage solutions. So now I have drills separated from my canvases. So now I like it when they have the canvas numbers on the drills. So that is just beautiful. That is so pretty. But like I said, this was $3.82 on Fansells. Alright, so the last thing that I got, y'all, I was shocked beyond words when I seen this. Alright. Okay, are y'all ready? Look. It is a miniature room box. Okay, so if y'all have been following me, you know I am into miniatures now for the past year, I think. I have been doing miniatures. Now, I am just like shocked that they have these. Now, this is what I'm talking about. When you go to these diamond painting sites, if you may not just do diamond painting. They have got jigsaw puzzles. They've got paint by numbers. They have got wax seals. They're, you know, some of these companies now are doing nail art, cross stitch, crochet, knitting. You don't know what they have until you look. It used to be, when they first came out, some of these companies, it used to just be diamond painting. And then they started coming out with cross stitch. And now they're just, you know, they're starting to add into their companies. And, you know, now we shouldn't even call them diamond painting companies. We should call them craft companies, because they have all kinds of crafts. So, this little baby is called a DIY miniature dollhouse cabin. And it's a longer thing, but that's the gist of the title. For $8.62. Well, let me tell you something. That is cheaper than anywhere, okay? So, they have 4 different ones, but they only had 2 in stock. So, the one that I actually got was Elegant Studio, which is this one. So, let's open this up and see what this looks like. And like I said, I have not been in any of this. I've not opened it. I have not looked at any of it. And if you do miniatures, y'all, this is a great place to get them. Because this is, like I said, these are the prices. You cannot beat the prices. Like I said, I was very shocked when I seen this on here, because you can't get them at that price anywhere. So, but it comes with everything you need to do your miniature. You might have to get glue. I don't see glue in here, but you might have to get your glue, which is no big deal. Because some companies, depending on where they're at, they cannot ship glue overseas. But this is your instruction book, and it will tell you step by step by step how to do this. So even if you have thought about doing miniatures, but you were like, I don't know if I'd like it. Oh, it looks so tedious. They're so expensive. Well, yeah, they can get expensive, you know, depending on how big of a miniature you want to do. Try one of these companies and get you one. Like I said, this was $8.62. Get one of these. Try it. And if you don't like it, you're out less than $10. Okay? I've got some in my stash that was a lot more than $8. So I'm excited to try this. But like I said, it's got everything in here that you need. So, and there was, like I said, it has 4 different ones. But there was only 2 available. This one was available and this one was available. Which was fine with me because I think I've already got this one. I'd like to have had that one. But I got that one because I'm almost positive I've already got this one. So I thought those would go together. So anyway, again, I just wanted to show this to y'all. And I know this is not a diamond painting, but like I said, I wanted to come on here and show y'all some of the different things that they carry. And Ryan, thank you so much for sending these to me to show to everyone. And like I said, if you look in my description box, Ryan has given me a code to give to everyone. It's good no matter what. Use it at checkout. But yeah, he's got all kinds of stuff. Check out the menu, because on Fansells, they have got string art, jigsaw puzzles. He's got nail art. He's got wax seal. They got cross stitch. You name it, they've got it on Fansells. So $8.62 for the miniature room box. For the 30 by 30 tree special shaped drill, $3.82. So thank you, Ryan. Thank you to all my subscribers for watching and for all of your support. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And until my next video, I hope you're all well. And I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.